This how to 1 minute will show you how to increase file usage in cPanel. Log into your cPanel and scroll down and click on select PHP version. Once you are here, select options. Now here you will get the max execution time. Increase this from here. Then scroll down, memory limit, increase this from here. Post max size, increase size from here. And upload max file size, increase the file size from here. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.